The World Cup is going on. People are excited. And the biggest question now is who will win the World Cup and why? So I thought let's bring that question to AI. Prevail will help us with that. For those of you who are not familiar, there's a tremendous capability here within Prevail, especially for questions like this. So you're going to come in just a new chat here in Prevail. Usually you talk with your domains, but in this case, I'll go to a general chat, and the most important thing is we don't want the opinion of just one AI models. We want the opinion of a council of AI models to help us with this critical decision. So go down to council. This takes us into council mode, unique to Preville. And our prompt would be who will win the FIFA 2026 World Cup? Most importantly, and why. So just like that, we have a solid prompt ready to go. I'm sure everybody has predictions at this point, and I'm personally curious what the AI would say. And the unique thing is we don't want the opinion of just Opus. We don't want the opinion of just Llama. We want the opinion of all of the above. So here, go ahead and click on Add, and we can bring Opus 4.8, Opus 4.7. Fable, unfortunately, Fable 5, unfortunately, isn't available. So it will throw an error. This actually just try, it will throw an error down there. We do Sonnet, Haiku. So we're going to do all of the above. Let's do GPT. Let's do GPT 5 high, medium. That's fine. Let's go to Gemini 3.1 Pro. Let's do I think I usually like to do the 3.5 flash high in high mode. And while I did, let's do GPT, the open source model, throw in Olama, throw in QN, throw in Mistral. So we're really throwing the kitchen sink at this to help us, right? If you have such an important question, we cannot rely on just one model. Unfortunately, here, I think we're having some issues with the Gemini 3.5 high. I can take that out. Let's see, QN. If that's successful, just waiting for the validation here to be successful. This validation just essentially means the model is ready to be a part of this panel. Now that's a problem. That's a problem. So we can take it out, but we have a pretty good enough set of models. One thing you can also do is your framework. So do we want this to be WIN? Actually, I like the WIN framework where it tells you what's important now. It just gives you the what's important now. And then here you want to go with the lens. So is this you want to think through this from a first principles perspective, from a contrarian perspective, from an alien perspective. Let's do an alien. Let's actually go all alien mode, assuming you're just landing on the universe, on planet Earth. You have no biases about football. Who will win that FIFA World Cup 2026? And then for the mode, I usually would turn off serendipity for now, just because we want it to be pretty straightforward. So once ready, go ahead and convene the council. And this is something truly unique with Prevail. You're not getting the opinion of just one AI model. We're getting the opinion of 11 panelists going to come back with all their opinions. It will actually be interesting to read through this and see how they all behave. As obvious as it can be, Fable 5 doesn't exist, so it told us that. Opus 4.7 came back and not very sensible. Not sensible. I'm surprised by that. Opus 4.8 says the most likely winner is France. I bet they did not watch the very first game that France played. To still have this opinion. Let's go down. Claude Sonnet 4.6 predicts France. Wow, France is really doing something. Haiku decided not to. Well, actually, what did they say? They say Franks. So Franks is really, really in for something here. Codex. Now, this is where you see the models, how different they are. It's picking Spain, actually. I think treat Spain as the biggest single pick to win it. Very interesting. And the why is also interesting to read. So let's go down. Codex picks Spain. The codex models, which is very interesting. Now, this is where it's very important to have this counsel at your fingertips, right? Because most people are biased one way or another. They will argue for OpenAI has the best models, or Claude has the best models, or Gemini has the best models. But if you depend on just who has the best models to make your decision, especially for decisions like this that requires a council, you might be missing quite a bit. So Spain is really, really interesting here. Gemini, actually anti-gravity, the open source model did not answer. I want something from anti-gravity to be very interesting, just given the perspective of Google and the search background they bring. It'll be very interesting to get their perspective before the council is rallied. And then it says, Olama says the United States led the young latest squad. Actually, somebody thinks the United States will win the World Cup. I don't mean to laugh at that, but who knows? It could very well be Olama. And then anti-gravity is just taking its sweet time. If you don't get a response after a certain threshold, you can just summarize the result. But for this one, I really was hoping to get what anti-gravity would say, especially the Gemini 3.1 Pro. Give it a few minutes here. So I waited for what I thought was a reasonable time, but anti-gravity still did not come back. So we might be in an issue there. So let's just summarize this for now. When you do summarize, you can do it manually the way I did. Otherwise, the council verdict in this case, we're using Opus 4.6 as the council chair, or you can always have 4.8. Usually I prefer 4.8, but for this 4.6 is fine. So what the council chair would do, depending on how aligned or not aligned those results are, we went through and did the reading, but the council chair still applies AI to synthesize from all of those answers to give us a result. So it did not respond, not enough time left. And the verdict, based on the Council of AI Models in June of 2026 of recording this, that verdict is Spain is the council's pick to win the 2026 FIFA World Cup. And this is a council of some of the best AI models there is, not from one, not from two, from about 10 of humanity's best intelligence. It's looked at it and said, Spain will win. So I think the burden of proof now is on Spain, the Spanish team. Can they defend this or not? Even though France came up quite a bit. And he says there was a key disagreement between France and Spain. Went through XYZ. Mbappe is that. It's on match. It explains why that is. Lama picks the US, which is an outlier. I think we all can agree on that. Even though the US team has been, I think their first game has been pretty solid. So concrete snake action would be to check the live bracket and XYZ. So based on all of what this is available now, Spain will the pick to win FIFA World Cup 2026. What do you think? Was this a surprise? And this is an illustration of how you can put Prevail to work for those gnarly questions where one opinion is not good enough. Think about buying a car, buying a house, moving to a new city, and all the things. You can go into your favorite model and ask and get one biased opinion. But when you synthesize from a council of models, at least you can have some confidence in the results you get. As always, I meant like this, so it saves into, when you like it, it saves into your decisions. As always, this is Afro here. Link in the description below if you want to go ahead and try Prevail, actively being developed. Feedbacks are welcome. I'll see you in the next demo.